Hey there, folks. Tonight we're diving into the world of online business. Specifically, we're talking ONPASSIVE, a name that's been buzzing around like a caffeinated hummingbird in the digital marketing world. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another tech company promising the moon? Color me skeptical. And you'd be right to be cautious, but stick with me here because ONPASSIVE might just be onto something big. We're talking potentially game-changing tools and technology designed to level the playing field for everyday entrepreneurs. Now, I'm not here to sell you on anything. My job is to cut through the noise and give you the facts, the real deal without the sugarcoating. So buckle up as we unpack what ONPASSIVE is really all about, explore its recent developments, and most importantly, separate the hard truths from the internet's favorite thing-wild, unfounded speculation. But first, please take a moment and subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Okay, let's get down to brass tacks. ONPASSIVE has been busy bees rolling out a whole hive of new features and products. We're talking about a suite of AI-powered marketing tools designed to make your online business hum like a well-oiled digital money-making machine. Think automated email campaigns that practically write themselves, website builders that could give Picasso a run for his money, and targeted traffic generation that makes finding your ideal customer easier than ordering a pizza. But wait, there's more. ONPASSIVE is also making waves with its unique compensation plan. It's built on a foundation of residual income, meaning you can potentially earn long after you've put in the work. Imagine building an online business that pays you even while you sleep. It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's what we're here to find out. Now, before you go betting the farm on ONPASSIVE, let's address the elephant in the room, the rumors. The internet, as we all know, is a breeding ground for misinformation, and ONPASSIVE has had its fair share of it. Some folks are claiming it's a get-rich-quick scheme. Others whisper about it being just another pyramid scheme in disguise. Let me be clear. Legitimate businesses take time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. However, it's important to note that ONPASSIVE is not about handing you a winning lottery ticket. It's about providing you with the tools and resources to build a sustainable online business. Are there risks involved? Of course, just like starting any business. But by understanding the facts and approaching it with a healthy dose of skepticism, you can make informed decisions. Section 4. The ONPASSIVE effect, brace for impact. So what does all of this mean for you, the average internet-savvy individual? Well, the potential impact of ONPASSIVE's developments is massive. We're talking about a potential paradigm shift in the way online businesses operate. Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of their technical skills or experience, can launch and scale a successful online business. The implications are huge. We could see a surge in entrepreneurship, leading to job creation and economic growth. We could witness a more level playing field in the digital marketplace, giving individuals and small businesses a fighting chance against corporate giants. It's a bold vision, no doubt, but one that ONPASSIVE is actively working towards. Section 5, stay informed, stay ahead. The future is now. And that, my friends, is the real truth about ONPASSIVE and its recent developments. It's not a magic bullet, but it's a powerful platform with the potential to disrupt the status quo. As with any emerging technology or opportunity, it's crucial to do your due diligence. Don't just take my word for it. Research, ask questions, and separate the hype from reality. The future of online business is here, and it's evolving faster than ever. By staying informed and embracing innovation, you can position yourself to thrive in this exciting digital landscape. And who knows, maybe, just maybe, you'll be the next ONPASSIVE success story. Just remember, don't believe everything you read on the internet, except for this, of course. You can trust me. Probably. For more information about ONPASSIVE and how to find success marketing online, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.